Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuitylab. In today's video, we are going to create this complete mechanical sketch in CATIA V5 Sketcher workbench using a real engineering drawing. This exercise will help you learn how to use circles, arcs, symmetry, tangency, fillets, and proper constraints to create a fully constrained industrial style sketch. In this sketch, we will create the central hub, this one, multiple radial slots, these are the slots, two side mounting holes, this one and this one, a symmetric profile, this profile is symmetric of this one, lower arc cutout, this one, we can create a lower arc and filleted edges, okay, and edges to be filleted. This is exactly the kind of sketch used in bracket, housings and mechanical parts. Before going to CATIA, let's analyze this drawing carefully. This central hub, this hub has diameter 80 and the inner diameter is 42. Here you can see the center diameter is 64 and these slots are of width 8 mm. The mounting holes, this one is counter bore of diameter 42 and the inner diameter is 22. Okay. And this is separated by distance 106. And we will consider this one as our origin, the center point of the central hub. And these two mounting holes are 40 mm from the origin in vertical distance, and in horizontal distance these are separated by 106 mm. And there are two another holes. There is no mentioning of dimension, so we will consider this one as 15 mm, and this is 38 mm from the vertical axis from the mounting holes and is separated by 80 mm horizontally. Here you can see the arc, this is radius 24 mm, and here the outer diameter or radius, outer radius, this one is radius 16. Okay, and there are tangent lines, this line, this line, this line, this line. 4 tangent lines are created. So let's go and create this drawing sketch in CATIA Sketcher. For that, go to CATIA, click on Start, Mechanical Design, Part Design, or you can click on Sketcher as well. But both are same, both will take you to the Part Design workbench. So let's click on Part Design and rename this one as Sketcher Exercise 9. Click on OK or press Enter. Now we are into the Part Design workbench. Select the plane to create the sketch. I am selecting the XY plane and click on the Sketch tool. This will take you to the Sketcher workbench. Okay. Now we are into the Sketcher workbench. First, we will create horizontal and vertical axis. So let's create the horizontal axis. This one. This is axis it's created, and this is reference line, you know, and also a vertical axis. This will be used for symmetry, mirroring, positioning all circles. This keeps design fully symmetric. Okay. Next one, let's draw this outer circle of diameter 80, inner circle of diameter 42, and inner bore of diameter 64. 80, 64 and 42. So let's create three circles. As we know, both are concentric, all are concentric to each other. So we will create, double click on the circle. To create number of circles, first circle, second circle, and third circle. Give the dimensions. First one, double click on the diameter or dimension. This is 80 mm. This is 64 mm. And this one is 42 mm. Next step, we will create this slot. Rectangular slot between 64 and 42. For that, we will create two lines, two parallel lines, and symmetry about the horizontal axis. So click on the line, create one line, or we can mirror it without creating same line again. Just click on this line, use the mirror tool and mirror this one, and the distance between them is 8 mm. So we don't need to apply symmetric constraint here, as these are mirror, one line is mirror from the other. So up to this it's complete. Next, to create the rectangular pattern, for that what I will do, I will select both the lines by using control and mouse and click on the rotate. Then select the origin and then the radius we want to select, and then we want 6 numbers, so I will create the instances 5, duplicate 5 duplicates, and here the angle value will be 360 by 6 and click on OK. Now our rectangular pattern is created. Next, to remove the other extra lines, okay, so double click on the quick trim. I don't want this one, this one. We'll remove these lines from the 42 mm and from the 64 mm. Remove these lines. Now our sketch is complete, but it's underdefined. So how to make it fully defined? For that we need axis. Create axis for this one. Select, click on the center point and click on this line point. The same way for this one as well. Create for this one and all axes are created, and this axis will apply for this one. And double click on the constraint tool. Select first line, then select second line, and then give the right click, allow symmetry line about this axis. Do same for the all. Okay. Now give the width to both the lines. This is 8 mm. Let's see why still these are under constraint. So we have not given the angle. So for that, when you move this one, this is moving, and you can able to see angle is not given. So double click on the constraint, give the angle, this one, this is of 60 degree, and this is also 60 degree. Now you can see my sketches are fully constant. Now try to drag. Is anything is moving? No, everything is fully constant. Next one, in next step we will create this circle of diameter 42 and inner circle diameter is 22. This is 40 mm from the origin in vertical distance and 106 mm separated each other. So we will create one and use the mirror tool to create the other for this one actual. So I will create, double click on the circle, create one circle, create the second one, same way create two circles here. Okay. Now there is a extra constant, remove this one, give the dimensions, diameter 42 and this is 22. This is 40 mm and 106 mm. This one is 40 mm and this one is 106 by 2. Same way, this one is, here you can see radius 32. Here you can see radius 16, means diameter 32, and the inner diameter we will consider this one is 15. This is 32 and this is 15. This is 40 mm, as it is 80 mm, so half means 40 mm and this is 38 mm. From this point and right click, vertical measure distance. This is 38 mm. Okay. Now after this it's created. So what we will do, and again there is something, these lines, here you can see one line and another tangent line. We will create this tangent line as actual. Click on the line, click on this one, and this is tangent. Same way this one. So now these lines are not fully constant and tangent to each other. So for that what we will do, double click on the constraint tool, click on the line, click on the circle, right click, tangency. Same way for this one as well. Now these lines are also fully constant. Next, in next step we will use the mirror tool to mirror this one and the tangent lines. Select all the lines, tangent lines, circles, all the circles, and click on the mirror and click on the axis about which we are going to mirror this one. Now our mirror is created. Next, we can give this using a fillet or corner tool. This is of radius 24. By using corner, click on the corner, this one, this one. This is radius 24. Okay, this is created. Now you can see everything is created. Now my whole sketch is in green. Check the design intent, drag the sketch, drag from any point, any line, any circle, is anything moving? Not. This is not moving at all. So that means all the sketches, lines or sketch are fully constrained. Now we have complete the sketcher exercise part 9 using a real mechanical drawing. This exercise builds the exact skill required for bracket design, housings, machine parts, assembly. Like the video, comment done, and subscribe to Enginuitylab for more CATIA V5 tutorials. Thank you for watching Enginuitylab. See you in next video.